Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you unboxing of a Tissot watch. So I just got this watch yesterday, and the model number is like, as you know, the Tissot watches has TO, then like followed by 10 digit or 12 digit model number there. It's a PRC 200 analog display. So I will just show you the picture on Amazon, so that this is the watch here. Let me bring it close so you can see it. And this is from Amazon, and you can see the title here, what exactly the model number of the watch is here, and obviously the price is here, but you can find it other places as well, but I always go to Amazon because I don't want to end up buying anything fake or not good quality. So Amazon is, I always trust with the genuine items. So this is what the watch is here. So I'm just going to show you and see how this watch looks. So let's get started. So here is the box. It's a shiny box, and this is exactly how all the Tissot watches comes with. It has all the paperwork here. It has those Tissot written everywhere here. Let me take out this books from here. You can see it has the manual for pretty much all the watches they have, and the designs and the models and all those details for every watch the Tissot makes. And here is another booklet specific to the details about the history of Tissot and how they came into existence, and all the details and what are those watches they make. So let's put this aside for now, and let's open this box here. So here it is, the box, and here is the watch here. So it comes with what you call a small pillow cushion, whatever you call it, and the watch is wrapped around it, and you can see the Tissot tag here. This is the barcode and all the details for the watch, and here's the watch itself. So let's take it out and see it. So here it is. Here is how the watch looks. Let me take it out, this thing here, put it back. Here's the watch, and you can see it's like wrapped in plastic. On the band you can see the Tissot logo here, and here's the tag with the details of the model and everything in there. So let me pull this plastic wrap around here. One side, I have more on the other side here. There is some under here. Come on, sometimes it's so tough to take out this plastic or the tape, whatever you call it. So there you go, I got it here finally. So here's the watch. I think it's 42 mm in size. The dial or the case, this one right here, and it's all analog with just 12, 3, 6 and 9 numbers written there. And the clasp on the back is pretty much pretty standard. It comes out with any Tissot watch. I don't know how to take out this tag from here, but I will leave it for now. And then on the top it wraps up with the Tissot flap, like a clasp on it. So that's how it is set up. So if you look at here, the watch is pretty decent. It looks good. It's not too fancy, not too big, not too small, but perfect party size, party wear kind of watch. And it looks decent. You can put this on your suit or casual or formal, to me it looks like an awesome watch. It's pretty good, it stands out. And as with any Tissot watch, I think some watches are difficult to adjust the time. So in this case, if you need to adjust the time for the watch, you can't pull this crown out, this one, big one right here. It doesn't work that way. So what you need to do is, you need to, rotate this anti-clockwise. So you have to rotate this like this on the backwards, like anti-clockwise, and then you pull it out. So you can see it's coming out, and here you go, it's moving. And once you're done, you push it back and then rotate it clockwise, and it locks in there. So that's how it is. So let me show you one more time, because some of you might be having questions about how to adjust time on a Tissot watch. So since they make these watches so quality and brand, so what they do is like they put some unique features which is not normal in other watches. So if you need to pull this crown in other watches, you can just pull it and adjust the time. But in Tissot, what you need to do is you need to rotate this anti-clockwise, and then you can see here this thing comes out, and then you pull it out, and there you go, you can adjust time. And once you're done adjusting time, you can push this back in and then rotate clockwise, and then it just locks in there. So that's how it is. So here you go. And if you want to take out any of the links from here, I think it's pretty easy. You can buy tools on Amazon or eBay, wherever it is, and you can do it yourself. But don't throw those links, because in case in the future, if you gain weight or you need a bigger size, then you might just add those back in. Because if you go out and buy it separate, you might spend maybe $25-30 just for the links, because this watch's links are pretty strong and heavy and quality, right? So it's not easy to find. So here you go. So here's my Tissot watch, and I hope you guys like the video here. If you have any questions or comments, please do post on the video down below, and please make sure you subscribe and like. Thank you guys.